we got a question. Address line for trap is option A 23 hex, option B 24 hex, option C 33 hex, and option D 99 hex. So here trap is an interrupt, and trap is actually RST 4.5, and it's a hardware interrupt. Now when we have this type of question, if I got RSTN, say n is any number here, so if you want to know the jumping location where the program counter will be jump, that address location will be actually n into 8. So if you have RST 4.5, you have to multiply 4.5 with 8. So obviously you will get 36, and here the 36 is in decimal format, and if you convert in hex it will be 24. So obviously the answer is B 0024 hex.